And the latest breaking news that's coming in on the top story that we're tracking this morning, 2 terrorists have reportedly been killed, while one is feared to be hiding in the forest area surrounding the army camp in Samba. Even as a fierce encounter rages on in the Samba sector, the army's QRT, quick reaction teams, are conducting combing operations after a sentry post at the 81 Armoured Regiment was attacked this morning.
We have zeroed in into a particular area. We have cordoned the area. Let us be patient and see if there is a presence of any militant there.
Strategic Affairs Editor Gaurav Sawant joins me live with all the latest information. Gaurav, 2 terrorists have reportedly been killed, but a combing operation is currently underway. Take us through the latest.
From the information that the local formation has provided to Army headquarters, it appears that when the encounter was on, both the terrorists were apparently hit and fell into a ditch, and after that there is no movement sighted from that ditch. A grenade has also been hurled towards the ditch to ensure that the terrorists who are down can be eliminated. But as of now, the army is taking it very cautiously because there are conflicting reports whether there were 2 terrorists or 3.
Right.
So they've cordoned off this entire area. One thing is clear from what the army tells us, that terrorists cannot escape in case they are holed up in that ditch. So they are just waiting for any response from the other side before moving forward cautiously. These terrorists are either grievously, at least 2 of the terrorists are either very grievously injured or have reportedly been killed. So the situation appears to have been contained for now. The army will now move forward very cautiously, but the lockdown remains all across this area because they're still trying to ascertain whether there were 2 terrorists or 3.
All right, so when the exact number of terrorists can in fact be ascertained, only then will a clearer picture emerge. But for now, Gaurav Sawant, they're pointing out that a complete lockdown is still in place, even though the army claims that the situation has in fact been contained. Also joining me live from Ground Zero is my colleague Ashwini Kumar. Ashwini, you've been tracking developments from Ground Zero. It does appear that the situation has in fact been contained, but it cannot be ascertained so far whether there were 2 or 3 terrorists that were hiding in the jungle surrounding the army camp in Samba.
Yeah, the operation is still going on. There is an intermittent firing from the militant side and the army, and you can see the area. We will let you know the area of operation. You can see how the army people, police and the commandos, they have been fully alert, the CRPF commandos, and with the bulletproof vehicles, they are ready for any more operation, more additional forces to be rushed there. And army has cordoned the main area. They had not allowed the terrorists to go inside the army camp, but Lieutenant Colonel Manish Mehta, who is the PR of
this movement which has been observed, as of now no contact has been established. There has been no exchange of fire. There is some suspicious movement. We have zeroed into a particular area. We have cordoned the area. Let us be patient and see if there is a presence of any militant there. But let us not speculate. Let us not cook up stories. As of now, no contact has been established. Some of the channels are saying that they have entered inside army camp. That is not true. Some speculative fire has been there. Few shots have been fired. That is part of the strategic operation. So let us be patient. If there are militants, we are well equipped to deal with them. We have cordoned the area. Army is on the job. We are on the job. So let us be patient.
All right, that was the IG of the Jammu range there briefing the media about latest developments. Ashwini Kumar joins me live from Ground Zero. Ashwini, combing operations currently underway. The IG, they're claiming that there is a particular area that they have in fact zeroed in on.
Yes, Army, the IG Jammu Danish Rana, who has just come out from the operation side, he said there is a speculative fire. Speculative fire means that even the army can fire on the forest area to just check the terrorist movement or terrorist establishment there, and that is the reason that he said that contact has not been established. As the army said, already 2 terrorists are in the area, forest area, and but the army said this is a speculative fire. This is an operational part of view that once you are going going in the forest area, you have to fire in the forest area to check the terrorist movement. So there is two reports. One is the army report that 2 terrorists in the area. Then the police IG said that speculative fire is there and there is no contact has been established. So it has been to seen which report is correct, and the forest area is sealed. The army's whole operation is conducted by the army. Police officers are just with the help of the army, but main operation conducted by the army Jawans only. Yeah.
All right, Ashwini Kumar and Gaurav Sawant are going to continue to track developments on this big story that we're tracking this Saturday morning. Ashwini Kumar, Gaurav Sawant, appreciate you joining us with the latest.